Vice Mayor Regina Martins, Vice Mayor of North Lauderdale, Miami, Florida. Ambassador Nancy, Ena Edine Montenaba.
Otumfuo achame ene ni mpenifo mpamocho meka apoto kakra efise omo ameni omo nam no omo nte kasa no papa omo fi omo ye otumfuo nananom a omo aba na omo nte ye kasa no nti meka apoto kasa no your vice mayor ofi North Lauderdale, Miami, Florida. 2 years ago, I was made the tourism ambassador for Miami-Dade County. As you all know, I am a granddaughter of Otumfuo, who has served in this house for over 15 years. And through his blessings, I had this honor to be the tourism ambassador for Miami-Dade County. It is the first in the history of America to give such an honor to non-citizens to build the bridge between Miami and Ghana, West Africa, between the diasporans. I have met most or almost all the mayors and the vice mayor. Honorable Vice Mayor Regina Martins is one of the youngest black vice mayors in the whole of America. Her position she took, the one she overthrew was over 20 years in position, 28 years. And she is the female or black mayor who has been able to overthrow to get the state. That state has been dominated by white 70 years, and she is one of the youngest black woman mayor. With her, we also have the team also from Miami, African Americans who are all vice mayor is from Haiti, and she's with Haiti. Her they are from Haiti. Her parents, great-grand, their ancestors. And we have with us another 16 family members, also whose grandparents, ancestors are from Haiti, but they are African Americans. And we all know that all those coming from Haiti are from the Asante Kingdom. And today, they have come back home. This is the first time. And when I went to Miami, I realized that most of the Caribbeans, those from all over, our great-grand ancestors that were taken, their descendants are all from, most of them are in the Miami area, which we pray that will bring them all home. It has been a long yearning for them to come home, to see their grandfather. I have also Dr. Dean Roberts, who is also have been appointed by the President of U.S. Biden as the consulate to build peace between Ghana and the U.S. His appointment was just recent. I also have with me a UN diplomat who are all African Americans. I would this time give the mic to Mayor because she has a very touching message for her grandfather, and they are all here. And today, as they were sitting there, they were like, we have a rich culture. We don't even want to go back home. I said, you haven't seen anything. This is just the icing of the cake. And it is my blessed opportunity to be here with them.
It is a privilege and it is an honor. I know you heard Ambassador Nancy say that I am the first Haitian American to win this seat that was occupied by my incumbent in 28 years. It's never been done before. In the county has 9 million people, and I am the first. And in my region that I oversee has 46,000. This journey is very spiritual for me, and now I understand why I was so resilient, so passionate, why I fought and I war, because of the spirit of the Asante people, the bloodline that I come from. When they saw me, they said, this little black girl cannot do it. But they had no idea that I had great ancestors. I had my father, the king, backing me in the spirit. And I told them that they haven't seen anything yet. Not only am I going to take the seat, but I'm going to reign and I'm going to serve my people. And I've been able to do that for the first term for 4 years now. And now I'm going to run again in November for another 4 years. I am so honored, so humbled to be here. I did not want to cry because I didn't want to mess up my makeup. But today has solidified. Today has solidified. And now I understand, and I feel like I can go on and I can do more. And I thank you all for embracing us, and I thank you all. I ate the food. I love the food. I love the food from Ghana because it reminds me of the food back home. And when I look at the king, he looks so much like my father, my biological father. And so again, thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much for having us. And I understand why we fight and why we're so resilient and why we love the way we do and why no matter how much suffering we go through, there's a scripture that says, many are the affliction of the righteous, but the Lord will deliver them from them all. And I understand why. That no matter what I go through, no matter what we go through, we will always overcome because of the spirit of the Asante people. Thank you.
Nana Chami Pacho Yade Yensem Otumfo Bomade Achami Bomade Ahinkwa Bomade Otumfo Akache for Bomade Any ensa ahodro nya and almost share that so the ensa fi Haiti almost chese omo nananom no ensa no omo nim ye fi ha na omo de ko we ye Haiti for ensa nkasa eka ho bi
Mira miso bro da ma wonana Nancy said your kasa o kire no say wonana prekope tourism no da no wasum fi ha be se fi edunum wadarma wa unshira wa futuo wa kwankyere enene apagya no a ya na ambassador yedina to sabe Ghana ene American fo no entem wadarma unti ene wadru sa gina pen nene ogina hanom a oda onana ba ko adi ya onye di bra emu odru mayor e ne mpotem o America mam onana yi ni nchipa ye Haiti ena enso ye kwawo no e America mam a o hosa America ni oso omu ogidie se Haiti fo ni nyina omu free sabe ebibrem ni titiro Asante omu gidi se omu ya Asante fo na eden pa se wo ye ni patuntum na sa abato mayor abato no ubetime nya bie bebru mfie aduoso ni patuntum bia mponya bi da na nipa no odiso ya ono ongi tumi ni free ni nsem no atena so mfie aduonu nwotwe wonanan ebra okọ ne disi ani no na bi ka se nipa tuntum oba obede no atimi adi no so bedru ha yi ene wahunu ade a enti ema wotimi nya ahoden de kokọ nanim wabehunu se tumi wo ha wabehunu se sunsum wo ha wahunu so nananom sunsum eta nachi afi no wahu ade ema na ahoden a wotimi de konye na odidi nkunim a ene waye meyoyi nti wadaroma wose wo komfie nan na November eye busumi du ba kunum afi ebesi mu no yebesa ato aba bio osire hu nhira woni se osira na obesa di nkunim bio no asa ato a ne dwumadie so na o kasa nyina na ayeni ni suo se on pese obesu na nso hunu se waba fie na sunsum ofie ya mamre ne amane eye ne fe aduane a wodi ni ha emane kai se ampa waba ne diem ni nyina na ne je ho adarma na fefo ka ho bebre o mu nyina gitum so mu ya asantefo a o mu kopie Haiti ansa na sabi o mu ko America ene o ma bo mu diem o mu no di eba be dia de ensa hodo nyina ka ho a o mu di abasa o mu no be dia de ensa bi o mu a no di o mu di free Haiti o mu so o mu di free bibrem ene koye a de kire o mu ha o mu suan no eno abi no ma yeso o mu de ba no mu no di aba be dia de afi ogbo mu ade wa chame bo mu ade wa krachefo ene o hen kwa nso bo mu ade onana no mu ba ya de o mu no di ade ne bro.
Nananom, mumiempre Florida foye. Yempre wonume. Yempre Florida foye.
Madam Ajua Sintim.